Guys, I'm doing this video this morning and I'm going to post this video today. Immediately I finish the video, I will edit and I will post it today because I can't bear it anymore. I just need to speak out. When is YouTube going to remember my channel? And every YouTuber that is putting in their efforts and they are not seeing the results. When is YouTube going to remember our channel? Seriously. This is one thing I normally ask myself, what is happening? It's not like we are not putting in our best. We are doing all the best we can, but the thing is not, it's not clear. I know that this video will reach out to some people by God's grace, and some people will be like, your thumbnail, your description, your this, your that, you have to work on it. I have seen people that even their thumbnail, just their picture they put, and their description, nothing is there. If you check the description, it's empty. You get, but if you see their channel is doing so well, even with less effort they are putting, you get. So I don't really know what is happening. Seriously, I'm just here to complain. I barely do this, but seriously, I want to complain today. I don't really know what is happening, and I believe that there are other people that are in my shoes. We preach consistency. We preach that you should post video as often as you can. It will also help and the rest. But you know that all this monetization threshold that have been given to us, you have to meet that threshold within a period of time. Like for the 4,000 watch hour, you need to have that 4,000 watch hour in the space of 1 year, which is 365 days. If you don't have it, they will start reducing the ones you have gathered when it gets to the following year. I don't know if you get. So, and this exact thing I just talked about is already affecting my channel. The watch hour I gathered, like when I started this channel, I've lost them, and it's just, do you get something? And it's very painful when you are trying to even gather more watch hour. You are losing the ones you gathered. So I don't really know what is happening. I really pray that YouTube should remember my channel. Seriously speaking, and I believe that there are some people that are watching this video right now and they are also asking themselves, what am I not doing well? Every time we keep seeing videos on YouTube, turn this on for YouTube to recommend your video, turn this off, do this, do that. So sometimes all those things, you will even try it will not work for you. You get, it will not work for you. That's why I normally tell people that if you see somebody that went viral on YouTube, if you ask them what they did, they will tell you that they did not do anything. They just posted the video the way they've been posting other videos, and the video went viral. So you never can tell the video that will do well on your channel. I understand that part, I know. But when it gets to the point that you keep doing videos and it's just like everything is just in one circle, this my channel, I've made mistakes. When I started this channel, I made a lot of mistakes which I have been trying to correct. You get, I've been trying to correct it. Is it the mistakes of getting subscribers the wrong way and the rest? I've done it. Is it the mistakes of posting different type of content? I have done it. But now I have said, okay, let me know what I'm doing on this channel. Let me do you get? So, but I'm still not seeing the result I want. I know I deserve more. Seriously, I know I deserve more, and I know that a lot of YouTubers are also in this same situation. Most of us are on YouTube to have an extra source of income to, you get. And one of the main purpose of this channel is to use it to inspire people, to inspire other YouTubers, because I know that come year 2025, a lot of people are going to join YouTube. They are going to, you get, I want to use my own YouTube channel to encourage people. From all the mistakes I have made, I will use it to educate them, for them to know that you don't need to follow this path for you to succeed on YouTube, you get. So I'm really praying for a breakthrough for this channel, and to everybody that is also watching this video whose YouTube channel is struggling. You are posting videos and before you know it, the video is just at highest 500 views. It's not going forward, it's just there. It's really painful, but it's giving up an option is never an option. I do not even have it in mind to give up on this YouTube channel. It's me and YouTube. Yeah, it's me and YouTube. So what I'm just praying for is a total turnaround on this YouTube channel. Seriously, I want this channel to reach out to more people, so that when they see my videos, they will be like, ah, she has posted, let me check it out. So that is just what I'm here to talk about. I've not done something like this before, but I said it's getting too much, let me come and talk about it, because I know that a lot of YouTubers are also facing the same situation. We all want to see growth on our channel. We all want to see we are praying for speed, you get. That's why. So I'm really hoping that my channel turns around for good. Seriously, I really hope, because I'm losing watch hours daily. I'm losing watch hours because the ones I have gathered in the past 1 year, I'm losing it already. And now I need to get more watch hour for me to be able to recover the ones I have lost. And it's just like my views are just like, I really pray for a turnaround. I seriously, people that are having thousands of views on their channel, millions of views, they don't have two heads, they have just one head, just like me and you. So I'm really praying that this channel gets better. And to everyone that's also praying same for their channel, I also wish you the best on your channel. So let's just keep pushing, let's keep doing what we know to do best. I believe that one day everything will turn around for our good. In case you are about giving up, because it's not everybody that have that patience at all to wait, you get. It's not everybody. Some people will just be like, this YouTube is not for me, they will stop posting. So in case you are about giving up, about to stop posting, do not stop posting. You can come out on YouTube like this and talk to, like, just pour out your mind. The comment from people will also encourage you, and you will keep pushing. So guys, that is all for this video. That is what I just came here to do today, and I pray that my channel turns around. This channel is going to be an inspirational channel for other YouTubers. This channel, Ivy's channel, a lot is going to happen on this channel. All I just want is YouTube to push my channel out. They should push it out. Push it out to the world. That is what I want. They should push it out, spread it. That is what I want, because I know that a lot of people are going, well, I'm not ungrateful. Please, in case you are like that, it's like she's not grateful. I'm not ungrateful. I'm very grateful, because there are few people I have met on this channel, and the positive words from them is so encouraging. People have commented on my video and tell me, thank you for helping me, like, from your videos I've been able to learn 1 or 2 things, you get. Yes, it's not bad. You are not being selfish if you ask for more. You are not being selfish. You deserve more. We deserve more. So that is why I'm doing this video. I really pray that YouTube begin to push my video out to people. When I say people, I mean people, so that I will be able to get views and move to the next level of this channel. So guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched in this time, I love you. Thank you so much, guys. I wish you the best, nothing but the best on your YouTube channel. Bye bye.